like this for a quarter. Abobu Lounge is really Abobu Ole.
Bear more drinks, please.
This one, no, do.
Views on me.
He said one for the DJ, one for the head man. He said one for the staff, two for in table. His skin, no food, no poo body.
Views on me, spend money for your living. Baby, we spend money for your living, you know. You're welcome, sir.
You know, your chairman told everybody is the bill so in you. Then you can't bring it. We don't have Azuka. That one way be like chase. Azul. Yes. Why bring it? When I bring it, then I bring supporting striker. Hennessy on the left, Hennessy on the right. Put Azuka in the middle.
All right,
go and bring it. Go and bring it. Right. Thank you. Happy birthday! How is that? Happy birthday! What? Azulka! Why you are drop it? Why you Allah? Thank you. Go and bring coach mana. Then they get fish for there. Bring fish for me too. Wallahi zamu shagiya mu mutu anan yau. Thank you. Na da Azuka be this. Why you Allah? Why it can be like something wanda they carry do juju?
Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Oh, Elijah Musa, enjoyment not going to kill you. Why you Allah?
Afternoon, sir.
What's up?
So I brought your bill, sir.
You brought what?
Yeah, your bill, sir.
My bill?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no. Why they talk like this? Now he brought your bill. He not see that thing was
Left
you know see that man what they do bad the way they say. Hey, everybody, give drink. Billy's with me. Then now come and say, oh, I'm here. Okay. He only me, let me collect drink, you know.
Sir, everybody here has gone, so I just came for a bill.
My bill?
Yes, sir. It's just 2.2 million.
Ah! Wait.
2.2, sir.
2.2 million. Billy, can you call the manager?
Yes, sir. That's not a problem, sir. Manager.
Manager, where Billy? Manager, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So I see you are doing your job well. Normally I don't drink. I say let me come to Abobu Lounge and go and relax. One man there for ya, they do by day. The man don't do like this. Drink everybody. Believe me. Something telling me drink. And I said that I bring Azuka and other drink for me and I drink. Well, I say the man don't go. Okay, you can understand that it's not me. It's the man that's going to pay.
Okay, I feel you.
Thank you.
You have to pay the money. That is it.
I have to pay the money.
Yeah.
Okay, please, man.
There's nothing you can do about it. This is exit. This is toilet. Choose one out of it.
If I choose exit, what's going to happen? Oh!